Thank you.
One, two, three. Icicles, popsicles, tap.
Oh, hey.
I'm okay over here. This one's going to be for whistle, so I'll be going on that one and we'll whistle. Get that vocal down.
One, two, testing. Oh. Yeah, can I get some more on this one here? Never mind. I don't care about that side. I care about me.
It's all about you.
Always us.
Waitresses practicing politics as the businessmen slowly get stoned. Yes, they're sharing a drink they call loneliness, but it's better than drinking alone. La 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 la. Sing us a song, you're the piano man. Sing us a song tonight. Oh, we're all in the mood for a melody, and you've got us feeling alright. It's a bigger crowd for a Saturday, and the manager gives me a smile.
Where's the other acoustic go? We're still doing sound checks, are you?
Okay, if I get this, let's see, keyboard.
I'll finish it later. Shh.
Eat more cow.
Slowly getting there. Everybody over there, that's Ian. We have 4 of them at home. We call them walls.
Try the Barrett? Sure. Yep. Go ahead. You need that to hold the line? If you can, that'd be great. How my meetings? That should be fine. Yeah. It's all good. We just gotta check the keys? Sure.
Try turning it on.
It's in channel 1 up here.
See, usually you guys never see this stuff because you make a big curtain. You know? So, we're not even going to charge you extra for the sound check.
That's right. You have to pay $5 to get out.
Yeah, since that's the only exit. Ian will be up there collecting. How many of you don't like the keyboards?
Is the bar still open?
Yep.
All thirsty. Where's Jimmy when you need him?
Guinness.
Yeah. Anything cold?
I hear a Canadian voice.
And that's the American in the band.
She's hanging around the Canadians far too often, eh?
She wants our 222s and our bags of milk.
There you go. She's dying for a Tim Horton coffee.
That's right.
Now I'm in for the free healthcare.
Oh. And you travel around, so you know they're going to be in Hershey, Pennsylvania on December the Harrisburg, close by. Harrisburg, December the 4th, 3rd.
How's the cheat sheets working out for you?
It's terrific, man. Where were you? What, Canada just the other day?
Yesterday,
We just through some beautiful storms that you had.
Hey, that's...
And we got such wet kilts, they're a lot smaller now. We smell like sheep.
Mine finally fixed.
Is that...
I used to have an evening gown.
Formal wear.
He's got one wet shoe, and so when he walks, he squeaks on the right foot.
Good.
Fantastic.
Can he use that instead of the keyboards we can't
That's
get
right, yeah, exactly.
Just pay the bill, and we get a phone call. Here we go. All right, the band's going to take a little break, and they'll be back.
Thank you.
But anyway, Karen and I looked around and we said, who could we have?
Check, check, check. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Little more, little more. Yes. How are you over there? On top of Old Smoky. Check, check. 1, 2. You right there? Christopher?
What?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yep.
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 Yep. Mm-hmm. Nothing like a Sesame Street throwback once in a while.
Can we get my guitar?
How about you, Kevin? Are you good back there? We'll play something.
Can we get more on the monitor, please?
More mine.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Apparently we like to go deaf.
I don't have anything.
It's the weirdest thing. I like it so I can feel it from my hairline down.
There's nothing up front on the kick.